Welcome to Fusion Home Cooking. So today we're going to be making some couscous. I already have the first cup of couscous ready. We're going to do 2 cups of couscous though. Put it in a bowl. Okay, now I'm going to dump some more. Whoa, okay. And then even it out, okay, and dump it into the bowl. Then we're gonna get 3 cups of water. Whoa. Okay, 3 cups of water. 1. You're gonna put it in the kettle. 2. 3. All right, now we're gonna close the lid and we're gonna set it to boil. Once it boils, we're gonna take it off and we're gonna dump it into the couscous. So now we're gonna get some salt and we're gonna dump 1 teaspoon of salt inside, just kind of eyeball it. A little more. What's that? Okay, so we're gonna wait for the water to boil and we'll come back when the water is boiled. So we're back and I got about a tablespoon of butter and I cubed it and put it inside the couscous. Now the kettle is boiled, so we're gonna dump it inside the couscous. All right. There. Now we're gonna put a plate on top of it for about 7 to 10 minutes. We'll be back in like about 10 minutes. So our couscous should be ready. I'm gonna take off this hot plate. Woo! Smoke. So now we be sure to put a towel under the bowl because we're gonna be fluffing up the couscous, and when you fluff it up, it's probably pretty heavy, so it could move around like this. The towel will make it stable. So you're gonna use a fork and a fluffing spatula to fluff the couscous. Ready? Like this. Something like that. My left hand is not meant for this. All right, there you have it. So that's how you boil couscous the easier way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Fusion Home Cooking.